हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम यू ऑल ऑन योर पीडी एजुकेशन। सो फ्रेंड्स, आपके लिए आज न्यू अपडेट है जो 7 पीएम के ऊपर रोज़ आपको योर पीडी के ऊपर मिलता है। तो नोटिफिकेशन को स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आपको बता दूं कि ये जो नोटिफिकेशन है बेसिकली इंटर्नशिप के रिलेटेड है। ओके, एंड मैक्सिमम इसका पीरियड है जो 2 ईयर है एंड मिनिमम 1 ईयर है। एंड डिटेल में इसके बारे में हम लोग डिस्कशन करेंगे। एंड यहाँ पे जो नंबर ऑफ पोस्ट हैं वो 4 बेसिकली कैटेगरी की पोस्ट है: असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर, सीनियर कंसल्टेंट, कंसल्टेंट राजभाषा एंड इंटर्न्स। ओके, सो हमारे जो काम की है यहाँ पे इंटर्न्स है ऑन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट और टेम्परेरी बेसिस एंड नंबर ऑफ वैकेंसीज 13 है। अब ये जो वैकेंसीज़ हैं मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ रूरल डेवलपमेंट में जो डिपार्टमेंट है उसके अंदर जो नेशनल रूरल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट एजेंसी के अंडर हैं। अब वीडियो को आगे डिस्कस करने से पहले अगर अभी तक आपने योर पीडिया चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब कर लो सो दैट आपको डेली अपडेट्स मिलते रहें। एंड ये जो वैकेंसी है वर्क फ्रॉम होम का है, वी कैन से, बिकॉज जब तक आपका कोविड का कंडीशंस ठीक नहीं हो जाता तब तक आपको वर्क फ्रॉम होम करना पड़ेगा। जैसी कंडीशन ठीक हो जाते हैं आपको ये बुला लेंगे ये। ओके, एंड आज के कोविड के टाइम में बेसिकली it is not possible to get a job, so if you are getting internship which is from government organization, so nothing like that. Okay, so the last date for apply to this is basically 18th of June 2020 and detail eligibility criteria and all are basically given here. Okay, so applicant applying for contract basis for internship should submit their application through email. So you have to submit through this email application for the post of on submitted through proper channel and accepting cadre children's, and this all is basically for not our use, basically for these vacancies we can say experience is required. Okay, so now let's go to the internship scheme. So this is the internship scheme. Here you can see that national this scheme is basically this is the description of the scheme and eligibility. Here you can see the detailed eligibility is given in annexure number 2 and age limit is 25 year and applicant should have done graduation or post graduation during last 2 year. Final exam should not have been conducted earlier than March 2019. Okay, so if you have completed your BTech in 2019 or 20, or if you are in final year then you are also eligible. Okay, so final year students are eligible. Duration of internship shall normally be 1 year. Here you can see candidate who leave the internship before completing 1 year will not be provided certificate of experience or any other recommendatory certificate for the purpose of further employment. Okay, so after completion of this internship you will be provided a, we can say, certificate that you can use as a experience. Okay, extension beyond 1 year shall be permitted on the application of interns duly recommended by the concerned head of division within the approval of this DGNRIDA. Okay, now the internship period will not be extended beyond 2 years, so maximum it is 2 year. Now how to apply, I have already told you that interested and eligible candidate must submit their application along with their CV's area of work interest in the prescribed application format which is given in annexure number 4 to director F&A national rural. This address you have to send. Okay, and through email also at this email. Okay, now selection is basically done by selection committee by DGNRIDA after preliminary scrutining the application of shortlisting candidate placed before the selection committee. Okay, so after basically first of all you have to send your CV and application, and after that what is going to happen, they will just do basic scrutining and after there they conduct the interview. Okay, if you selected then you have to basically you can join. Okay, so it is not a sure job, it is written here only basically. Okay, and support we can say, or the stipend that you get in this, these are all the code of conducts we can say that are written here. And this is the important part. Okay, every intern will paid a token remuneration of 10,000 per month for first year, and if you continue after first year then you will give a we can say increased remuneration of 11,000 for subsequent year. Okay, so these are the basically we can say other some important points that you can go through, and a list of divisions and the areas in which you can work. Okay, this is the education qualifications. Here you can see a graduation in civil engineering is required for technical intern technical, and work profile is this. Okay, and for project 1 division it is BTech in computer science or IT. So these two branches are only eligible we can say. Okay, so here you can see the eligibility criteria. This is the certificate that you need to basically sign from your head of division or head of we can say application. This form you have to fill and this is all about this application form, friends. So thank you very much, and we will meet tomorrow again at 7 p.m. with a new application. Thank you very much.